Welcome to EDU World Space.
We will start this question by calculating the value of RBC, which is equal 0 plus 1.5 I plus negative 3 minus 4 cosine 45 plus 3G plus 4 sine 45 minus 0k. So the result will be 1.5i minus 2.82j plus 2.82k. And for RBD, which is equal negative 5 plus 1.5i plus 0 plus 3j plus 0 minus 0k. So the result will be negative 3.5i plus 3j. RCD is equal negative 5 minus 0i plus 0 plus 3 plus 4 cosine 45j plus 0 minus 4 sine 45k, which will be equal negative 5i plus 5.82j minus 2.82k. Now to get the force F equal F multiply RCD over RCD, which is equal 80 multiply negative 5i plus 5.82j minus 2.82k over square root negative 5 square plus 5.82 square plus negative 2.82 square. The result will be equal negative 48.88 I plus 56.98 J minus 27.65 K. Now to get the moment of the force F about point B, so MB is equal RBC multiply F, which is equal I 1.5 negative 48.88, and for J coordinate we have negative 2.82 and 56.98, and for coordinate K we have 2.82 and negative 27.65. If we multiply this vector, we will get equals negative 82.9i minus 96.8j minus 52.8k, and our units is pound feet.